The construction of Luban Workshop, a Chinese vocational workshop program training talents overseas, has been accelerating in some Shanghai Cooperation Organization countries. The vocational workshop is named after Lu Ban, an ancient Chinese woodcraft master. It aims to promote vocational education exchanges and cooperation between China and other countries and regions. So far, 20 such workshops have been built in 19 countries. On March 24, a college from China's Tianjin signed an online cooperation agreement with Tajik Technical University to set up a Luban workshop in Tajikistan.
China's Luban Workshop is recognized as an international vocational education brand worldwide. We believe that Luban Workshop will be of great help to Tajik Technical University in training talents in measurement, green energy, and heating, and can promote cooperation and exchanges between the two universities in all aspects.
The construction of Luban Workshop in Uzbekistan is underway. On July 29, Tianjin Maritime College signed an online cooperation agreement with Tashkent State Transport University, which will train technical talents in modern logistics management and information technology.
这两个专业的选择也是更多的考虑到这个乌兹别克斯坦当地社会经济发展对于交通人才的这种需求。我们预期呢到年底应该呢完成我们鲁班工坊建设的相关任务，争取在明年上半年能够进行启动运营。
Since the first Luban workshop was built in Thailand in 2016, more than 3,200 students have taken vocational education in Luban workshops worldwide.
自2018年7月份启动运营以来呢，我们巴基斯坦鲁班工坊已经陆续开展了6期职业技能培训，并且呢，100余名巴基斯坦当地的技术青年走进了鲁班工坊的课堂，并且其中我们也遴选出27名优秀的青年进入天津现代职业技术学院，接受我们的来华留学生教育。